Okay, so we have given these two equations from here. X plus y equals 6. That means y can be 6 minus x. Put this into the second equation. X into y is 6 minus x equals 36. 6x minus x squared equals 36. X squared minus 6x plus 36 equals 0. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 6, c is 36. So if we calculate b square minus 4ac, that is minus 6 squared minus 4, a is 1, c is 36. 36 minus 4 into 36, that is simply less than 0. So that means no real roots. So now we have to use that formula. So from here we can go over there. X equals minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So from here x equals minus b, that becomes minus 6 plus minus square root minus 6 squared minus 4 to a is 1, c is 36 upon 2a, 2 into 1. So this becomes 6 plus minus square root 36 minus 4 into 36 upon 2, that is 6 plus minus, we can take 36 out, that will be 6 square root 1 minus 4 upon 2. So here we can take out 6, 1 plus minus square root minus 3 upon 2. So this becomes 3 plus minus 3 square root minus 3. Alright, so from here we have x equals this, or we can write it as x equals 3 plus minus 3 root 3 I. So this is the value of x, since root minus 1 is equal to I. So we can put the value of x into the first equation, and that will be the value of y. 3 plus minus 3 root 3 I plus y equals 6. So y equals 6 minus 3 plus minus 3 root 3 I. If we open this, 6 minus 3 minus plus 3 root 3 I, or 3 minus plus 3 root 3 I. So that simply means when if we do this, that means when x is 3 plus 3 root 3 I, then y is 3 minus 3 root 3 I.